The Tricycle RV Camper is a game-changer for travelers looking for a compact, fuel-efficient, and highly functional mobile home on 3 wheels. Whether you're an adventure enthusiast, a digital nomad, or someone who loves exploring new places without the hassle of a full-size RV, this innovative camper is designed to provide comfort, convenience, and mobility, all in a small, efficient package. At first glance, the Tricycle RV Camper looks like a perfect blend of a traditional 3-wheeler and a micro-camper. Its lightweight yet durable frame is built for stability, allowing riders to travel confidently across cities, highways, and even light off-road terrains. The aerodynamic design ensures smooth handling and improved fuel efficiency, making it a cost-effective choice for long-distance travel. Inside, the Tricycle RV Camper is surprisingly spacious for its compact size. The cleverly designed interior maximizes space, offering essential amenities such as a foldable bed, a small kitchenette, and storage compartments for travel essentials. Some models even include a mini fridge, a solar panel for off-grid charging, and USB ports for charging devices on the go. The camper's roof may also have an expandable pop-up section to provide additional headroom and ventilation. The kitchenette is designed for convenience, featuring a small gas stove or electric burner, a collapsible sink, and enough counter space for meal preparation. With storage cabinets and overhead compartments, you can carry cookware, dry food, and utensils without cluttering the space. Some models offer a compact water tank system for washing dishes and basic hygiene needs. Sleeping arrangements in the Tricycle RV Camper are surprisingly comfortable. The foldable or pull-out bed provides enough space for 1 or 2 people, depending on the model. The interior can also be customized with soft cushions, LED lighting, and curtains for privacy, making it a cozy retreat after a long day of riding. For those who enjoy off-grid camping, the Tricycle RV Camper can be equipped with solar panels, allowing travelers to charge their gadgets, run small appliances, and stay connected even in remote areas. The camper's battery system ensures that basic electrical needs are met, providing lighting and power for the essentials. On the road, the Tricycle RV Camper is incredibly easy to maneuver. Its 3-wheel setup provides stability while keeping the vehicle compact enough to navigate narrow streets, park in tight spaces, and even explore areas where larger RVs cannot go. The efficient engine options, whether gas, electric, or hybrid, ensure that you can travel long distances without frequent refueling or high operational costs. Security is also a key consideration. The camper is lockable, and some advanced models come with GPS tracking and anti-theft systems for added peace of mind. Whether you're parked at a campsite or in a city, you can rest assured knowing your belongings and camper are safe. Customization options make the Tricycle RV Camper even more appealing. Owners can choose different layouts, color schemes, and additional accessories like rooftop storage, an extendable awning, or even an outdoor foldable table for dining. These features make it perfect for solo travelers, couples, or even small business owners looking to use the camper for mobile vending or promotional events. The affordability of the Tricycle RV Camper compared to traditional RVs makes it an excellent choice for budget-conscious travelers. Its lower maintenance costs, fuel efficiency, and ability to park almost anywhere provide a new level of freedom for those who love road trips and exploring new places. Whether you're traveling across the country, camping by the beach, or just looking for an efficient and compact alternative to traditional RVs, the Tricycle RV Camper delivers everything you need in a small but mighty package. It's a revolution in micro-camping, offering adventure seekers the chance to experience the world without limits.